Okay, dear 8th graders, how are you? Today we are supposed to work a little bit more on system of equations again, but remember right now we are using the substitution method. Great. As I told you guys, remember the steps. Great. We worked last class to understand about the steps. It's pretty simple. Remember how to do the things over here and to understand the most important thing here. The most important thing, step number one, you need to be sure to solve for x or y. You pick one, choose the easiest one, and solve it. And right now, step number two, you will substitute the value, got it, and solve. And after you got a number as the value of the variable, use that number in the first equation, and you will substitute again and solve. Great. Let's pick one, guys. I think the easiest one to gotta solve for x or y is this first one here. Let me solve for x. Let's move 2x by its opposite. The opposite of 2x, positive 2x is negative 2x. It is y equals negative 2x minus 2. Done. We solve for y, okay? Slope-intercept form. We solve for y here. What do you need to do right now, mister? Oh, pretty simple, guys. Just use this value here in the second equation. The second equation, if you notice, it is, well, let me use the other color. Okay, nice. The second equation, we use step number 2, okay? Substitute and solve. It is 5x plus 3. Okay, instead to write y, I will write what, mister? Negative 2x minus 2. Because it's the value of y you got in the first one. Equals negative 8. Equals, let me keep writing this one, negative 8. Right now, just solve. As usual, you know it already. Combine like terms over here. It is 5x, 3 times negative 2x, negative 6x. 3 times negative 2, negative 6 equals negative 8. Combine like terms. And move the variable, okay? You move this guy here, negative 6 by its opposite. It is positive 6. And 5x minus 1 minus 6x, it is just negative x. Here it is negative x equals negative 8 plus 6, negative 2. But I want the negative x, guys. I want its opposite. I want a positive x. If I want the opposite for negative x, I want the opposite for negative 2. I want x equals 2. I have the value. Nice. Let's use this one in the first equation. If you remember, the first equation, step number 3 right now, guys. It is y equals minus 2. Okay. Instead to write x, I will write 2. Because the number I got it. Y equals negative 2 times 2 minus 2. Oh, it's a combo of 2's over here. Let's solve here this one. Negative 2 times 2, it's negative 4. Y equals negative 4 minus 2. Negative 4 minus 2, y equals negative 6. And here is my points. My x, 2. My y, negative 6. Done. Pretty simple. Number 6, guys. We have over here 2x minus 3y minus 11. And the other one, 2x plus y equals 9. Let's solve the second one, guys. Why the second one, means? Because it's easiest to see. It's easy to solve for y over here, then solve the other ones for x or y. Let's pick this one. Let's solve for y. 2x, I move it by its opposite, negative 2x. It is y equals negative 2x plus 9. Great. I solved already for y, slope-intercept form. Let's use this formula in the first equation. Great. Let's do it. Let's repeat everything for the first equation. In the first equation, I have 2x minus 3. Okay, y no more. It's negative 2x plus 9. Negative 2x plus plus 9, close parentheses, let's return it to the blue, and here it is equals negative 11. Just solve distributive property. 2x minus negative 3 times negative 2, positive 6x, negative 3 times 9, negative 27, equals negative 11. Right now, combine like terms and move negative 27. If I move negative 27, it will be positive on the other side, positive 27. 2x plus 6x, 8x. 8x equals, right now, 11. Negative 11 plus 27, guys. Negative 11 plus 27, it is positive 16. How many times 8 goes into 16? 2 times. X equals 2. Oh, it's the same as you got in the first one. Yes, just coincidence, okay, guys? Just coincidence over here. And the other one, let's go to the another step. Step number 3. So you use the first equation, you work on it. Not the first equation for real, is the second one, but the first thing I use here is y equals negative 2. Okay, instead to write x, I will write 2. And let's just continue to work on it. Y equals negative 2 times 2 plus 9. Let's solve right now. Y equals negative 2 times 2, negative 4. Negative 4 plus 9. Y equals 5. Then I got the key answer over here. The ordered pair, it is x first, 2, y after 5. 2, 5. Great. And the last one, x plus 5y equals 4. X plus 5y equals 4. Let's work on this guy. X plus 5y, it is, let me just match. Oh guys, first solve for x. It's easy for solve for x the first one. Let's solve for x the first one. If I solve this guy here for x, I move 5y by its opposite, negative 5y. X equals 4 minus 5y. I got the value of x. Let's use this value for x in the second equation here. What is it, mister? I'll just do it. It is 3 times. Oh, instead to write x, I will write what? 4 minus 5y. And just keep writing the equation. Plus 15y equals negative 1. Right now, distributive property. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times negative 5, negative 15y. Great. And I have here plus 15y equals negative 1. Negative 1. Nice. How do I solve right now? Just move the variable and combine like terms if it's possible. If you do it, guys, you will see what? Let me see here. Let's move this one. Oh, 12 will be negative 12, the other side. Negative 15y plus 15 is 0. Here is 0. Oh, it's 0, mister. Yeah, 0. Negative 1 minus 12. Negative 1 minus 12. It is 0 equals negative 13. Mister, is it possible? What's going on here? Guys, did you remember parallel lines? Oh, in graphic, mister, parallel lines. Did you remember? We have a parallel line situation and we have the other situation we called for you guys. Remember that the other one, it is infinitely solutions. If you notice over here, it is a parallel lines. Okay, why, mister? Because if you move, solve for y in both equation, you get the same thing, the same equation. And you need to verify and work on it, and we got it this one. This is no solution. Great, no solution. I don't have any solution because 0 it equals negative 13. False. That means no solution. I don't have any result. If I have the same result, guys, then the infinite solutions. Remember, we had this class when I have different equality no solution. The same equality, the both sides, infinite the solution. Remember, guys, we have this class already. That's it. Guys, right now, work on the exercise, and I see you in the next video. See you later. Bye-bye.